Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time stopping to my channel. My name is Atineke. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this gorgeous headband fringe wig. This is the weave I'm going to be using. I'm just showing you guys how the weave look like. This wig is very soft. I'm going to put the link of where I got the wig in the description box below. If you really like it and you want to purchase it, you can use the link to check it out. So this is the cap I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a mesh cap in size L. Then this is the headband I'm going to be using. When I got to the store, there was not the normal size of the headband I usually get, so I have to get the wide one, which I was even happy about at the end of the day. So I'm going to be using concealer just to demarcate where my fringe is going to be reaching. So just using the concealer so that I won't over sew the fringe front part. Now I'm starting from the front, just attaching the weave now. So this is my fringe part. I'm just sewing it down. So I don't even know what to say, just normal sewing down. Just keep on watching. You're going to see what I'm going to do. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate your support and love so much. But if you've not subscribed, kindly please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Kindly join my fan by clicking on the subscribe button. Stop picking, going and coming without you subscribing. Support your girl, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I saw 3 steps at the front part of the fringe. 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 at the front part. If you don't want it to be full like mine, you can sew 2 or 3, anyone you like. So just sewing the fringe and just sewing it down. This is the third stage of the fringe. The third step I'm sewing, just normal sewing, just sewing it down. After I'm done sewing the fringe front parts, that is the bang. I'm calling the bang the fringe. You can call it fringe or bang. After I finish sewing it, so I've already put on my headband. I've already put it on the cap now. So now I'm sewing the weave, the cap, and the headband. Do you grab that? You can see that I'm putting my hand inside just to hold the 3 of them together, just to sew it. Then the way I'm sewing it is a kind of invisible sewing. The sewing just as in a sign of dot, dot, dot. Even though you near me, you look at my head, you can't see that I sewed the headband to the cap. I don't even know how to explain it. Just keep on watching. And the way I'm sewing, can you see? I'm dipping the needle back inside the hole where I brought the needle out from. Can you see? I'll dip the needle back inside the same place. Can you see that the sewing is not showing? It's just forming a sign of dots, dots, dots. So I just sew it around like twice. And be careful because of the elastic at the tip. Before I forget, let me tell you, when you are sewing your bang, be careful because of the elastic band at the tip. If you sew the elastic band with it, the cap won't fit you, or if you want to put it on, it won't size you anymore because the elastic band has already made the cap to shrink. Do you get what I mean? So just be careful when you are sewing. I sew on the band side, but I didn't pick the band when sewing. I did not pick the band, as if I just want to pick a little part of the cap. I don't really know how to explain, but if you watch it very well, you are going to get what I'm trying to explain. So I've already started sewing the back side now. I started from the back, then I keep sewing. At this side, I'm making use of double weave. I double the weave at the back side because I want the hair to be kind of full and has a very good volume. Do you get what I'm saying? So I double the back, I double the weave at the back. Now I'm at the front. I just fold the headband, I fold it down so that I will be able to sew under it, so that I will use that one to cover it. You get what I'm saying? So just sewing the back in a straight motion, just sewing it. Yeah, we are done sewing. Now let's throw this on and let's look how this came out. This came out so beautiful. You grab that? Beautiful. So now I'm just putting it on. Now I want to cut the bang, so I'll take my scissors. I didn't cut it in a straight motion. Can you see? I bend my hand. So now I'll just be trimming the excess. Just keep trimming, keep trimming. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. Oh my god, when I saw people doing a review for this bang wig, I fell in love with it because this is kind of my style of what I like. So I purchased this hair, like I'm going to push myself to make this video, which I did, and I'm happy about the final look, the result. I'm just using this hair mousse just to flop out, to give it more volume. I'm not going to be combing it. I'm going to be using my hand. This is the back. Can you see the headband at the back? You can put it up if you want. It won't show. You can style it anyhow you like. So this is the final look. Oh my god, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your loved one. I really appreciate it so much, and thank you so much for your support and love. Just train on this headband. You can rock this with different kind of headband you want. You can even rock it without the headband. Can you see? You can rock it without the headband. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh my god.